Was the rice, Daddy?
I think she already did.
No? Ah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, that needs to move it.
Hello, Pam! Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Ayan, hapon na dito. Actually, gabi na pala. Pero pasundo pa lang kami sa kids. So, ang bilis ngang maggabi kasi winter ngayon. It's 5 pa lang, pero madilim na. Pasundo na kami ng kids today. Tapos na ang work ni Daddy and I'm off today. So, napaka-productive na araw din. Yes, and
Yay, napagawa namin. Isang success today is napagawa namin ang aming mga rooms kasi nagtitrip yung
outlet. Yeah.
ng mga rooms. So, napagawa namin kay brother Melvin. Shout out, bro.
Yes, thank you sa
Although babalik pa si Melvin to check something, pero
just to make sure na
just to make
hindi
sure
na siya magti-trip.
Swabe na talaga. Pero yeah, so far so good at hindi nagti-trip.
Yeah.
At meron na kaming pang radio ng mga bata and an
Correct.
electric fan na hindi naman tina-turn on kasi sobrang lamig naman.
Tsaka buhay na ulit si Google sa mga kwarto.
Yes, sir. So
Ayan.
thanks Melvin. Shout out to you.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.
And brother yun ni Monette.
Mrs. Monette, yes.
Our fandom here in
Our
Calgary. So
fandom.
thank you ulit.
Yun.
Alright, so
And
medyo
we
malapit na.
And we decided as well na mag quick grocery today sa aming malapit na grocery store dito sa
Skyview.
Skyview,
Northeast.
which is yung superstore malapit sa Martindale lang. So mga 10 minutes drive lang dito sa amin. Kasi this last weekend hindi kami nakapag-grocery.
Actually, matagal-tagal tayo hindi na grocery. Lagi lang Costco.
Yeah, so
So,
kailangan namin ng mga
Mga
bagay-bagay na
fruits,
wala sa Costco.
vegetables,
Sa mga Asian, may mga
Yeah.
Asian
Asian.
stuff, yun. Mga,
So, alright.
so
samahan
malapit
niyo
na
ulit
kami.
And price check, wala pa rin GST and HST. So, that's very good.
And dito na kami. Hi! Hi, Leon!
Oh, you need to check, huh? Always okay. Here? Where's your bonnet? Where's your hat?
Oh, knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
I want my bonnet.
What happened?
My bonnet.
Please po.
Her hat.
Mommy, I got the city. Mommy, look at
Why do you
this.
always see your
What is that?
Look at this, a teeth. A teeth.
What teeth is that?
Mommy.
What did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Let me
Tara
check
na,
later.
tara na.
Tara. Let's go, kuya. Be careful ha, madulas ang ano.
Wow.
Hindi ka na.
Channel.
And on the way na kami sa superstore. Medyo traffic kasi uwian na.
And different superstore yung
Yeah.
puntahan natin para naman.
Stop. Mommy, what is green?
So,
What's
nag-iba
the
pala
yellow?
kami. Ha?
Mommy.
Nag-iba kami ng superstore na pupuntahan. Na-decide ni Daddy na maiba naman daw. So, pupunta kami ng superstore sa ano to, Northwest?
Yeah, Northwest.
sa
Country
mga-
Hills Village. Instead na
So the
Northeast.
bad guys say,
Yep.
oh, that's green. We need
Malapit
to
na.
stop.
Malapit na. Mga 15 minutes
Oh,
drive.
that's red. We need to go.
Anyway. are here na.
Ikat, ikat.
Muntik
Ikot,
pang
ikot.
mamiss ni Daddy.
Yeah.
Ang
Stop here.
road.
Ito kaming
And
tao.
the superstore is there.
And what is this guy doing here in the middle?
I'm not sure. Magla-left ata siya. Ayan.
I was taught.
Ayan. Ang superstore natin.
Buy a superstore.
First time ba natin dito? Para, no?
Mm.
See?
Yun,
Mommy, so
oh. Yun, oh.
superstore.
Doon sa dulo. Ayan. Ito na pwede.
Lots of
Kamin pa.
superstores.
Right. Papasok na kami ng superstore at kailangan mag-grocery ng mga fruits. Ano nangyari? Natanggal, oh. You can run but not so fast, ha?
No way!
Okay, let's go, let's go.
And we're here na inside.
Papa!
Okay, so nandito kami sa superstore and quick price check tayo. This is a really good orange. Orange. Navel or Navel orange. 128 per pound. Okay. And then, pomelo. Syempre, since taga Davao ako, 288. Nope. Nothing beats our Davao pomelo. Pineapples, 499. Good. Extra sweet. Bango. 499 each. Yan. Naamoy ko lang. Yep, he's with me. Del Monte Gold. Pineapple. Saan galing? Sa Pilipinas kaya ito galing?
Daddy, we
Okay.
don't have pineapple.
Yeah, you like pineapple?
Yeah.
Let's get one? Sure. Okay, you pick one. Yeah, cabbage, Napa cabbage, plantain. Plantain? Banana to. Oh, guatemala plantains. Banana pa rin siya. 149 per pound. Then, ito pear, 168 per pound. And then, this is how they spell sayote. Squash. Squash chayote. 129. Meron pa kami nito. Then apple, Fuji Chinese, 188 per pound. Good. Then, mandarins, 899. Isang ganito. Mami, oh. Mami, maliit. Mami. You like pineapple? Let's get. Okay. Kuha tayo. The ripe one. This one. Get the big one. Okay? Yeah. You look for the big one. Anong malaki? Ito malaki. Ito. Then you need to smell if it smells pineapple.
Pineapple.
Smells like pineapple?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, very good. Good choice. Okay, open. And then si Davon yung tipong gusto niya laging nakaayos yung mga things. Gusto niya naka-plastic, naka-line up. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. That's fine, Mami na. Okay, next stop. Ito naman yung mga kailangan sa fridge. President Lemon, 599. Navel Orange, 845. Sabi ko, ito yung masarap na variety ng orange. Mandarins, 899. Ah, love, ito palang kinukuha mo, love. Halos. Yeah. Ayan, 746. Sakto. Ito na lang, huwag na yung isa. Okay. So, ang intention namin dito ay mga fruits lang talaga and vegetables, ma'am. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang makukuha natin.
This is super.
Lemon, meron pa tayong lemon. This one is the big calamansi, kuya, or lime.
This turns into a pumpkin.
No, it's not. But this is super sour. But it's yummy. Yes. And ito yung pineapple ni kuya. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala. Ay, ito nga. Yeah. Okay, saging Del Monte, syempre. 78 cents per pound banana. And di ko alam kung anong pinagkaiba nito, pero organic siya. So 99 per pound. Syempre hindi natin kailangan ng organic. So nag Del Monte lang si Mommy. Then we have here cantaloupe, 3.97 each. And then limit daw ay dalawa lang pwede mong kunin. Pag hindi, pag tatlo, yung pangatlo babayaran mo na normal price, which is 5.50 each. Siguro masarap to. Tsaka minurahan talaga nila. Oh, watermelon, favorite. 6.99, maliit na watermelon, mini. And sobrang mahal nito for a watermelon, $13 siya. Watermelon red seedless, $13. Sobrang mahal niyan. Pass. And tomato. So, $3.49 per pound. Meron ding $3.47 per pound. Yan siya. Ganyan siya. Parang buo pa. Ito siya tinatanggal. Yeah, go ahead. This one is $2.49 per pound. Mura nito. Yan. Ganyan siya. Yep, bili ka. Let's say tatlo ba? So, may mga konyo tomatoes na nakabalot sa plastic container. $5. And then mix 500 gram for 54 grams, $7. And tricolor tomatoes. Tricolor niya, red, orange, and yellow. $9.50. Medyo mahal. So, diyan ka lang, babe ka lang dyan. And ito, okrang paubos na. $4.99 per pound. Kunting-kunti na lang talaga. Halos wala na. Super konti na lang. Sibuyas, love, meron ka pa marami. So, white, onion, puti. Sibuyas, puti, $2.99. Onion red, na malaki, $2.50. Onion, ito ang white talaga. $2.49. Meron ding ito, yam, yellow, kamoteng, yellow, kamote, ube naman, ito ube, purple yam. And then ito ang kamote. Sorry, $5.99 per pound, kamote, Jamaican. And then Japanese sweet yam, sweet ube, $2.99. Okay to ah. And then potato, $1.99. Laki. Grabe oh. And potato red. And then the PC potato russet. Sa parang mga ano na to eh. Level na to ng mga McDonald's eh. $5.99. And ginger. Kailangan namin to pang tinola. Kuha lang tayong mga ilan, tatlo siguro. Yan, tutulungan ako ni Davon kasi mag-a-add daw kami more. That one is too big. The size of this only. This one is not. The nice size. This one maybe. Yeah. Okay. It's good. Very good. Okay. May tigatulong na kaming mag-grocery. Maya kami ng dalawa ni Kuya mag-grocery. Gusto mo tayong dalawa na lang Kuya mag-grocery? The next time? Ha? Kaya mo na? Okay. Opo. Okay, very good po talaga to eh. Opo. And syempre, naalala ko si Mami lagi at magaling yun magtorta. So, bibili tayo ng tortang talong. Pang tortang talong. Sakto yung size na ito. Ganda ng size. Sakto. Usually kasi yung mga nakikita kong talong malalaki eh. Ito sakto. Good size talong. Sure, kuha tayo mga tatlo. Yeah. Okay, that's it. What's that, kuya? Cocoa. Okay, chocolate.
I want Coke.
Chocolate biscuits. Pokemon. Oh, you asked Daddy. Daddy? Oh, you need to look at Daddy.
Daddy,
Hmm.
can I have this for?
Okay. Alright, sure. Okay, nice. So this is white bread na original, but superstore brand lang siya. 197. Ito lang yung binibili namin. Pwede na. Actually, yung whole wheat bread nga, no?
Ito na lang.
197. Same price eh. Pero mas gusto ko tong white bread
Ito
eh. Baka hindi kainin ng mga anak mo yan. Kasi sanay ng... Ha? Let's just return it. Okay, return that one, kuya. No, we're gonna be getting this one. It's just...
I like that.
Okay. Okay. Right.
That's I think.
Oh, Wonder Bread ba? 222 pero pwede naman. Cents lang naman. Pero let's just try that. Okay, ano to? Raisin tarts. $6. Okay. To croissant. Kano to? 447. Limit 2. Kasi mura. Ito, matigas na bread. No. Siyempre, pandesal talaga tayo. Tsaka tasty. Ito. Baked in store. Okay. 125. Bread French. French bread. May mga desserts din sila dito. Superstore. So, I think lahat ng to, each box is $4. Siyempre, to our Indian friends din. And Indian to or Mexican friends. Nan. Yeah, meron din mga pies dito or gingerbread. $8. Very good. Mga pies. $8 din to. Lemon. Bumili kami nito dati. Oh, lemon meringue. $6. $5. Ito laging binibili to ni Donna. Kaya lang nauubos agad with the kids kasi masarap siya. So, alright, let's get one. Mommy, you need this, right? And naswertehan kami, fam. Naka-sale. $28.88 limit 4. Apat lang ang pwede. Rooster, baby. Okay.
18 kg.
Yeah, usually ang price nito 32,
32?
35,
Yeah.
ganyan. So 28 lang siya. So limit 4. Apat.
39, Dad.
39.
Yep.
Yeah. So
Let's go.
apat ang kukunin namin. Hindi naman nasisira yan eh. Yeah, alright. Okay, buhatan na. Alright. Apat na rooster. Okay, puntahan na sa superstore mga kababayan. 28.88 lang instead of $40. Apat nang binili namin ito na. Para hanggang next 2026 na. And syempre yung mga kiddos ko nagmemorienda na at nagutom na. Are you gutom, Lian? You say opo. You gutom? Are you gutom? Are you gutom? Opo. Okay.
Nandito tayo sa yogurt ng mga bata. Ito yung binibili ko sa mga kids and naka-sale ulit siya. 194 lang. Usually it's 359. Ito yung binibili ko kasi ano lang siya, isang bukasan na uubos ng kids. Kasi pag yung malaki is hindi na uubos. Tapos ito din, yogurt drink. Naka-sale din siya. So bumili din ako nito. Favorito ni Lian. Ang daming sale today. Anong binibili mo, Daddy?
10 for 10, $1 each.
So ano yan?
So, I don't know. I'm just thinking about you. Pwede mo kung let's say, baon yung sa Baglab, and then
What is that?
sparkling.
One, Dad. Alam mo yung crackers nila, di ba before they eat this? Rice cracker?
Yeah, that's good. $1.
Yeah, let's get it.
Mommy, this is how.
Oh, it's not pepperoni.
Macaroni. That's macaroni.
Not macaroni, it's pepperoni.
We're done na? Meron pa ba?
Yup, ice cream na lang. Ice cream ko na lang.
Wow. Ikaw talaga ang kailangan merong ice cream. May egg pa ba tayo?
Nahirap kaya ako sa bahay magtrabaho lang. So, tapos ice cream lang din mo ako.
Tigilan mo ako.
And since malalaki na yung kids, parang last batch na yun ni Donna na binili sa Costco. It's $21.97. Swerte na kami at hindi na kami bibili ng diapers. Or kung bibili man, parang second to the last batch na or last batch na of diapers. $32.97. Grabing mahal, diapers lang. Ay, Canada. Oh, Canada. Yun, Filipino, sakto lang mag-video.
Come on. And nandito na tayo sa Asian foods area. O, di ba? Merong Filipino, ano talaga dito? Snacks. And here is my baby King King. What are you looking at, honey?
Nope, let's go.
Let's go here.
Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo.
Yep.
Oh.
And Filipino. Here we go. So, ang superstore, meron talaga silang allotted area for Filipino.
Lingayen. Sorry.
Yeah. Alam, ano yan? Bagoong?
Ito ba pinibili mo, love? Sweet and S&W?
Hindi.
Hindi, no? UFC yun ang natatanda.
Yep. Argentina.
Wow.
Oh, sale. Sale
That's
pa yan.
expensive. $7.99. Mahal masyado yan.
Sale pa yan.
Mahal masyado, fam. Ito, ito isa sa favorite. Favorite ito ni ano, ni Gian.
Mommy, I want this. I want to
$5.49.
eat one.
And then ito naman yung favorite ng boss ko sa Singapore dati. Pag bumibili ako nito, $100 worth.
Eat one here.
Then ito yung hinahanap ko, love. Century.
Hot.
Light tuna flakes and hot and spicy sauce.
You.
Ano gagawin mo dyan?
Hindi ko pa alam. Basta lang. Ang bilhin.
Mommy, can I
Go.
can I eat one of this?
Mamaya na po. Thank you.
Ano?
Let's go.
Rescaldo.
Sarap Pinoy. Arescaldo. Parang nasa Pilipinas na.
Parang may champurado pa lang natin tayo. No?
dito.
Parado.
Yan, champorado. And then bibingka, $3.29.
And
And kung
Puto.
gusto nyo din gumawa ng puto, $2.29.
fruit cocktail. Ayan.
So namimili na kami ng food kasi walang walang
GST.
HST.
Yeah.
Let's take advantage of that
Aha.
right now. And ito ang isa sa hinahanap. Wow, naka-sale. $188 lang. So, bili na tayong dalawa. Lapids Chicharon. Ginaya yung anak. Chicharon yung pagkasabi niya. Hindi yan. Chicharon. Okay. Complete na. Alright, let's go. And tingnan natin, mga around $300 to for sure. Kasi sa rice pa lang, 4 na eh. So, $100 na yun.
Daddy, can I bring this one with this?
Yeah. Get the Chicharon. You come to mommy. What is this fish? You come to mommy.
What's this one?
Chi?
Bravo.
May tigatulong ng ayos ng grocery. Yes.
Good. How are you? Sure, Norris.
Bilisan nyo. Bilisan nyo pa.
Gonna show them when they grow up, right?
Exactly.
Very good. Nice. Good job.
They are rice kids.
Teach them young.
Yeah.
Hello, doggy, doggy.
Oh, go.
Hello, doggy, doggy. I got it.
You drop the coin? Okay, Leah naman.
Oh,
Very
good.
good.
Yay.
So you just help the Canadian
Dogs. Yes. For the blinds. Good job, honey.
Good job. Let's go.
Let's
Now I'm
go.
gonna take it home.
And we're done. Go, honey.
What is this for?
Let's go. Let's go.
I love your coin.
Let's go na.
I love your coin.
So how much ang ating damage today, Daddy?
How much? Let me guess. 360. How much?
So it's 358 for today's grocery. Oops, nalaglag. Nalaglag.
Look it.
Nahuhulog po ang aming rooster rice.
How's that?
Bottle up. Bigasan showcase to. Bigasan showcase.
Kasha ba?
Kasyo. Kulang pa. Bigasan showcase. Right.
Alright. And we are done for today. Tapos na ang grocery day namin. And pauwi na kami.
And thank you sa panonood again.
Thank you for watching.
And hope nag-enjoy
thank you
kayo sa
for
price check
sharing.
na ginawa ko. Although quick goods lang 'yun, mga mostly vegetables and fruits lang ba.
Yeah. Pero ang daming sale nila ngayon actually.
Nakakuha kami ng 4 na bigas na
Yeah.
rooster. I think it's
Good
our
deal, sobrang
I think
good
it's our
deal.
first time to buy.
Yeah, na
Na
ganun
ganun
karami.
kadami.
Oh, good deal siya. So, thank you for watching. And see you in our next video. Kuya?
Hanglu.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And to you guys that are 80% not subscribed, please subscribe.
Daddy.
And thank you.
Bye!
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for
And thank you
watching.
for playing.
Not playing! Alright!
Alright, see ya.
See you on our next video, fam!
again.
Bye-bye!
Thank